I wanted to take a minute and show you how this comes all packaged. It's the Julia Rothman collection, and this is how you are going to see it delivered. It comes with 3 anatomy books, one for nature, one for farm, one for food. So it's got this really nice hard shell case. I'm going to slide each of them out for you, and then you get to see the extra materials it comes with. This is really nice, and you can put this in between your books and easily slide them out. These are beautifully printed nature cards that coincide with the different things that you learn in your book. They are rich, really thick cardstock. This is the Nature Anatomy one, and the covers on the front and back are thicker and double folded. The pages are really, really thick as well. I just want you to see how thick they are. Really nice. The art is consistent. The chapters are fun. They are really great resources for students to learn simply. I like that it's a mix of cursive font and print font. It really does encourage a great reading experience. And these are all laid out the same. You have your thick cover, front and back, and then your beautiful illustrations, eye-catching to keep children interested. Different fonts to read from, and just such great information. In the age of AI and asking Alexa all of your answers, don't do it. Go for a book. Bring the education to them in such a fun way. If you're wondering what each book covers, I can go over that real quick with you. I will just show you the chapters.